Hey everyone, now I will show you how you can make a smooth plastic text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Now what you're going to do is you go to your text here and type in whatever text you want, but for me I'm just going to type in plastic. Alright, I'm just going to quickly resize it to a bigger one. Okay, I'm going to recenter it. Alright, I'm just going to keep the color red, and then what you want to do is you need to go here, right click it, and click on convert to smart object, because we need to make it into a smart object. Okay, now what you're gonna do is double click on this. Now you're here, just wait it, and double click on this one too. Just wait it for okay, now go to bubble and emboss, click it, and then click it also. Make the depth into 300, make the size into 16, make the soften into 3%, the direction, make sure it's up, and make the angle 90 degrees. I'm just going to change it to 120. Alright, change this altitude into 60%. Alright, as you can see, it's changed. You can just click on it again. Okay, I'm just gonna change this one into 80 and this one into 40. And for this color here, you need to make sure that it is a darker tone of your original color. My original color is this red. I'm just gonna make it a darker tone here. Click OK. And then what you'll do is you click on satin, click on it, and then make this color a darker color again of your original tone. Click OK. Make the opacity 35 and make it 19 degrees. Also make the distance 16 and make the size 20. Okay, now after this you go to inner glow. Alright, now you can just go to your opacity, change it to 60%. Alright, and then make the source edge, make the technique softer, and make the size 15. Alright, and make the range 50% also. And now what you're gonna do is you go to gradient overlay. Okay, change the blend mode into overlay, make the opacity between 30 and 50%, but for me the sweet spot is 35%. Okay, now make the angle 90%. Now what you want to do is just click on this one here, the gradient, and make this color full white. Okay, click OK, and make this color the lighter and brighter color of your original tone. For example, my original tone is this one. I'm just gonna make it brighter and lighter, like this one for example, and click OK. Click OK again, and then OK again, and you can just save it by hitting Ctrl S. You can just go back to your original file, and as you can see, it is completely changed. And also, I'm just gonna add one more thing. If you want to change your color of the text, you can just go down here into adjustment layer, click on hue and saturation. Okay, you can just change the color of your text by using the slider here. For example, I'm just gonna change it to like green. Let me check green. Where's the green one? Like here. Now it is green. So I guess that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.